Well, it may be a Sunday afternoon, but that doesn't mean work has to stop. At the moment here, I've just got a HSP, I think it's based on a Brontosaurus. Looks like it's got most of the Brontosaurus gubbins still left in it. It's basically it's had a few upgrades, metal upgrades on it. But there's a lot of play in all the steering suspension. And the customer's got another one the same, which is okay, but the diffs are a little bit iffy, let's say. This one has actually got good diffs, so we're going to take these ones out and I'm going to service these, put these into the other model, and then we've got obviously another good chassis nut here if at any stage we need to take any other, few parts off. We've got like drive shafts, etc., and so forth, springs, which are all still good. So this is basically going to be our donor car, which we're going to strip down now and start rebuilding the other one. Not quite sure whether or not we're going to actually just keep this, as I say, just for parts. There's not going to be that much left on it, to be honest. So we'll see what parts we can find on it that are any good. Should be a few bits on here. Looks like the spur gear is a bit worn, so probably wouldn't even be able to use that as a spare. But we'll get it stripped down and see what we can find. Can't quite work out why something seized up in there or broke up. We will find out when we start stripping it down. It's always nice when you've got something that you can rob from. Nice donor. Life's so much easier. Let's get some of this junk here. Let's have a look and see what we got in here. Shouldn't be too bad, hopefully. Let's find out. So we're just going to start stripping out the rear of this HSP, so we can get the rear diff out, strip that one down. So we've done the front diff, that's been stripped, cleaned, re-oiled. We used 50,000. Should be perfect in that. We don't want it to go too mad. It's purely because the original one's in the other model that we've got here, which we're doing this is basically the donor car. So we're swapping over from this one. The diffs in the other one are really tight. Doesn't matter what you do, they just, you can hardly turn the wheels. So we're using this as a donor. It's not doing anything. It's got a few little problems, this one, with the suspension and that. So it's just as easy to use it as a donor.
Shake that thing, miss. Can I shake that thing, miss? And I better shake that thing, yeah. Donna, Jody and Rebecca, woman get busy. Just shake that booty non-stop when the beat drop. Just keep swinging it, get jiggy. Get drunk up, percolate anything you want to call it oscillate. If I don't take pity, want to see you get live on the rhythm of my ride. And my lyrics up about electricity. Girl, nobody can do you nothing cause you don't know your destiny. Yo, it's a good girl, turn me on. It's a good girl, turn me on. It's a good girl, turn me on, turn me on, turn me on. It's a good girl, turn me on, turn me on, turn me on. Take that thing, bitch, can I take that thing, bitch, and I better take that thing, yeah, Donna. Take that thing, yeah. Jody and Rebecca, sexy ladies want.
Even actually be able to change. Might just actually put that diff because it's actually looks like it's leaking from that one. Right, so that one for now I'm going to leave there. I need to strip the other one out because something doesn't feel quite right in that one. Get that all sprayed and cleaned up, and then we'll see whether or not there's any issues with that. It may be, sounds like possibly one of the bearings is noisy, but we can check on that at a later date. So, okay, well, Sunday afternoon. I've got a beer. I think it's time I just called it a day. I've had to do some repairs on the workshop door. The cable broke on it for the handle. So we've done that, which put me back a little bit, but that's done. It's all safe and secure again now. We've made a good start on this. So I think tomorrow morning, back starting the week, I've got another couple of jobs coming in. But I think we'll get this one cracked out in the morning, get this one put back together, and then we can see what else we've got for the rest of the week. So guys, have a great Sunday afternoon, what's left of it. Enjoy a beer if you're having one, and we'll speak to you again soon.